Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed vegetables taste good. First, always begin with fresh, high-quality produce. Look for vibrant colors and firm textures. Next, ensure all your vegetables are cut into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This is crucial for even cooking, preventing some pieces from being overcooked while others remain raw. For denser vegetables, a quick blanch in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes can make a big difference. Once prepped, it's time to season. Start with a good quality fat, like 2 tablespoons of olive oil or a knob of butter, to coat your vegetables. Don't be shy with salt and freshly ground black pepper. They are fundamental. Experiment with dried herbs like thyme or oregano, or fresh ones like parsley. Adding aromatics such as minced garlic or sliced onions early in the cooking process will build a fantastic flavor base. The cooking method significantly impacts the final taste. Roasting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes creates delicious caramelized edges and a tender interior. For a quicker option, sautéing in a hot pan with a small amount of oil for 5 to 7 minutes keeps vegetables crisp tender. Steaming is excellent for preserving nutrients and achieving a soft, yet firm, texture, typically taking 3 to 10 minutes depending on the vegetable. To elevate your mixed vegetables even further, consider some finishing touches. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving can brighten all the flavors beautifully. A sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs, like cilantro or basil, or a dusting of grated Parmesan cheese adds a wonderful aroma and taste. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These simple additions can transform your dish from good to truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.